Hi, it's Anna from Kingsbridge, just sending you a quick walk around video of our new into stock 2019 Mercedes C200. This is the Premium Plus model, so top spec, finished in obsidian black on porcelain leather, I think it's called, so it's like a really nice ivory leather. It's got really good specs, sliding pan roof, Burmeister, 360 cameras, heated seats. It does actually have a exhaust muffler removed, so it sounds louder, but we have the original if you want that to go back on. It's in really nice condition. We would always recommend getting one of our ceramic coatings put on it just to perfect the paint, as it is a little bit swirly, but that is something we specialise in here at Kingsbridge. All alloys are unmarked as well. It's got really nice diamond cut alloys on there, 2 keys as well. Show you the interior. AMG carpet mats, and then the ivory leather interior. Burmeister sound system, electric memory seats as well, with lumbar support. Digital display. Here's your sliding pan roof. So that fully opens up and has the electric blind with it as well. It's in lovely condition in the interior as well.